Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and never miss an update from latest Glee.
Who doesn't like to watch a good comedy film with friends? Best stress buster ever. Well, this weekend you have the option to watch Friday. We have with us the director of the film Abhishek Dogra and the main lead Varun Sharma. I'm Rajat Tripathi for Latest Lead. Let's dive right into the conversation. Hi, thank you so much for talking to us.
Hi Rajat,
Okay.
कैसे हो आप भाई?
I'm good. How are you?
Good मेरे भाई,
Okay.
good. Chatting with you.
Okay, so first of all, so many Gen X actors have professed their feeling to, wanting to work with Govinda,
Yeah.
like Ranveer Singh, Arjun Kapoor, and you are the one who got the opportunity.
sweet.
Yeah. So how do you feel? How was the experience
It
working?
feels great, yaar. I mean, it feels great. Like I'm one of those million fans that or
thank you.
सर पहले बाद में पहले तो सर का. But to be very honest, I think I'm amongst those one of those million billion fans that Govinda sir has. I'm a 90s kid. I've grown up watching him, and I've grown up, mimicking his scenes and kind of dancing on his songs. And I think even till date, any house party, I think it's incomplete without Govinda sir's songs.
Yeah.
And I feel really very fortunate. Trust me, I really feel very fortunate that I got a chance to work with him, share screen space with him, and dance with him. And for that, obviously, a big thank you goes to Mr. Abhishek Dogra
Kindly.
for kind of giving me that opportunity to be a part of Friday and be in one frame with him for an entire film. So I mean, it's just beautiful. I think my family is the happiest when I told them that I'm going to be in a film with him, and so it feels great. Yeah.
And how has been the experience for you? Were you also looking forward to work with Govinda?
Oh, absolutely. I've grown up watching his films, as he said. Everyone has. And it's my favorite genre, actually, comedy.
Okay.
Since it's been like 10, 12 years in the industry, and that's one genre that I really want to excel in. And yeah, the day I got to know that this film, we might have Govinda sir doing it, I was quite excited, and I grabbed it with both my hands. And yeah, so I've been very fortunate in working with a legend like him. I mean,
Was it nerve-wracking anyhow, because he's the best in the business?
yeah, initially it was, I think, but I remember when I met him for the first time at his place, we like broke the ice in like 10 minutes. He is so informal, and he makes everyone very comfortable.
Okay.
And he's like family, to be honest. I mean, there is no formality between him and whoever he's speaking to. बड़े मस्त तरीके से बात करते हैं, and खाने पीने की बातें करते हैं, पिक्चरों की बातें करते हैं. कोई stress as such नहीं है. He himself is a stress buster.
Okay. Varun, how was your first meeting with Govinda?
My first meeting, actually, I don't remember my first meeting, because the first time I went to meet him at his residence, and Abhishek sir और मैं हम दोनों गए थे वहाँ पे उनके घर पे, और चाय पे हमने मिलना था. तो मैं पहली बार उनको मिला, और पहली बार ही वो मेरे सामने जब आए थे, इकट्ठे बैठ के हम चाय पी रहे थे कुछ है, तो अक्रॉस द टेबल हम बैठे हुए थे, और गोविंदा सर के मेरी नज़र से मैं एक ट्रांस में चला गया था, और गोविंदा सर के पीछे एक हैलो बन गया था, जहाँ पे शोला और शबनम, कूली नंबर 1, हीरो नंबर 1, स्वर्ग, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, हम, ये सारी फिल्में चल रही थी, सीन चल रहे थे और गाने चल रहे थे. तो मैं ऐसे ही बस बैठ के उनको देख रहा था 2 घंटे तक, और वो पीछे एक ट्रांस चल रहा था, और मैं अपनी मेमोरी लेन में चला गया था एज अ किड कि यार मतलब क्या बात है यार, मतलब. और मुझे आज तक वो 2 घंटे की कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं याद कि हमने क्या बात करी थी, कैसे क्या करी. तो मुझे तो जेन्युइनली अगर वो कहते कि मुझे नहीं याद कि हम पहली बार कब और कैसे मिले थे कुछ है, तो मुझे जेन्युइनली नहीं याद कि
Because we actually didn't talk about the film.
We didn't talk about the
हम
film.
generally बातें कर रहे थे.
वो
तुझे क्या
जनरली बातें
पसंद है,
कर
मुझे
रहे
क्या
थे,
पसंद है,
ऐसी बातें कर रहे थे, और वो
Exactly.
जेन्युइनली एक हेलो पूरा चल रहा था पीछे. वो जेन्युइनली वो एक फैन मोमेंट था. वो काफ़ी लोगों के साथ होता होगा, वो किसी भी प्रोफेशन में होता होगा. जब भी आप एक बडिंग प्रोफेशन में जाते हैं और आप उस प्रोफेशन के मास्टर और लेजेंड के सामने बैठते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली वो सारी
Yes,
चीज़ें
yes,
आती है.
yeah.
तो मेरे लिए पहली जो मीटिंग थी वो ये थी.
Okay.
It was very interesting. I told him कि उन्होंने पूछा वो सेल्समैन का रोल कौन कर रहा है, तो हमने फिर उनको बताया कि सर वो वरुण शर्मा, वो जो तो कहते हैं वो जो फुकरे में है, जो चूचा होता है,
Oh,
कहते हैं,
wow.
अरे बड़ा प्यारा बच्चा है यार, वो तो बड़ा ही प्यारा बच्चा है.
Okay.
His reaction was, अरे यार पंजाबी भी है वो, प्यारा सा बच्चा है, बहुत मजा आएगा, बहुत मजा आएगा. It was like that.
That's like the best compliment ever. Govinda knows that you have worked in
Oh
Fukre.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes, yes.
totally. Yeah,
Okay.
totally.
So the title of the film has everybody got talking, and Friday. Like, why this title?
Sir,
What is the story behind this title?
So basically this film, the journey about one day,
Okay.
which is actually a Friday, where the salesman wants to sell product, and how that Friday actually gets him fried
Okay.
is the Kani. How he and Govinda, he is supposed to sell some product to Govinda, and how they both have an argument over it, and can't reveal much more, but yeah, this is what it is. It's a very normal way. No, आपकी सबकी लाइफ में होता है यार, एक दिन किसी का दिन फ्राइडे बन जाता है, फ्राई हो जाता है पूरा दिन ही ऐसा निकलता है. So that's how this day actually, you know.
Basically, yeah, the one salesman coming to sell something at a doorstep at a person's house through all the jugards and through all the totkas that he's done. तो वो आए हैं वहाँ पे बेचने के लिए, और किस तरीके से वो पूरे दिन में उथल पुथल खेल कूद सारी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं, एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ इट या तो उनका दिन फ्राई होता है या मेरा, तो या फिर जो भी बाकी घर में लोग हैं उनका.
Correct.
तो वो देखेंगे तो आपको समझ आएगा, और देख के जब आएंगे तो आपको लगेगा कि यार इन्होंने टाइटल अच्छा रखा है.
So this is a movie based on one day. तो क्या continuity को maintain करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है? Like what are the challenges about a movie that is just based around one day?
वो एब्सोल्युटली बिग चैलेंज दैट यू हैव यार. एक तो एक घर है, आई मीन आप कितनी जगह घूम पाओगे एक घर के अंदर, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली एज यू सेड कंटिन्यूटी है. बट या एट द सेम टाइम आई फील कि इट्स ईजी ऑल्सो दैट यू आर रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू वन प्लेस, so you actually know what you're doing and at that particular place. हमने we've actually spent a lot of time in that bungalow. We really missed that bungalow. बड़ा मज़ेदार बंगलो था. बाहर एक बहुत बड़ा ह्यूज गार्डन था 2-3 एकड़ का. तो जैसे ही हम लोग बोर होते थे हम थोड़ा सा वॉक करने के लिए चले जाते थे, थोड़ा क्रिकेट खेल लिया करते थे वहाँ पे. बट आई फील मोर देन द चैलेंजेस, आई फील it's easier to work when in the place where you visit it every day and you know everything about it, every corner you know about it, so it's easier to plan things there.
Okay. Somehow आपने उसमें एक गाना भी डाल दिया, एक promotional track जो है.
जी.
How was why was this decision taken to add the promotional track?
So there are 2 promotional songs. This is not inside the film.
Okay.
One is in the beginning and other is in the end. And obviously यार सब गाने डालते हैं, तो हमने भी डाला है, and इसलिए भी डाला है हमने because we wanted to portray Govinda sir and him, his जोड़ी together. फिल्म में तो आप देखोगे, लेकिन यू नो सबसे पहले आप हमेशा आपका गाना आता है जहाँ पे आपको एक केमिस्ट्री नज़र आती है. इफ़ यू सीन द बड़े छोटे सॉन्ग यू विल सी हाउ दे बोथ आर एक्चुअली, दोनों की केमिस्ट्री आपको देखेगी तो आपको लगेगा हाँ यार छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ टाइप का है. तो दैट वाज वन ऑफ द रीजंस टू पुट दैट सॉन्ग, एंड लिरिक्स भी उसके बड़े और छोटे हैं, ये छोटे वो बड़े हैं. इट वेंट, बस सब कुछ बहुत सही तरीके से यू नो गया. It worked for a film, to be honest. So yeah, it was important to put a song here.
Was it tough for you to match the steps with him?
Very tough. I feel I was very scared. I think I was very nervous while you know we were rehearsing for the song. I rehearsed it for about good 5-6 days here, and you know to be dancing with him, I thought it'll be really tough. And this is something that I wanted to show everyone in the world that I've done this, and I have to do it correctly to show it to the world. And so it was very tough, but I rehearsed, and thankfully Ahmed sir choreographed it very well. And finally we managed doing it, and it's been appreciated and being loved by a lot of people, so thankful to that.
Okay.
It's done well.
So speaking of tough, what was the toughest thing about this film for you?
Toughest thing?
Okay, let's make it the easiest thing. Anything.
I can't recall anything right now. Toughest or easiest. I mean, it's been a journey. In the beginning it was tough, then it got easier day by day. But yeah, one thing that really which I was not expecting, you know, like what I said, the chemistry between Govinda sir, who's been a legend, he is a legend in his comic timing, and Varun, it went off very well from day one. तो उसमें मुझे लगा था वो थोड़ा टफ ना हो जाए, लेकिन वो बहुत इजी हो गया था. It just they went with the flow and everything came out very well. So ऐसा nothing like tough or easy like that.
अच्छा, he's famous for monologues, you know, into play. इस बार हम लोग कुछ देखने को मिलेगा इस बार मूवी में भी?
जी हाँ, देखने को मिलेगा, और वरुण इसका डायलॉग बताएंगे.
Okay, वरुण if you can.
अब बहुत टाइम से वरुण कर रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस.
9 रसों के विभत्स रस व्याकरण में उलझे हुए छन, बिना डीएनए के बाल विक्रम पे लटके हुए बेताल, तू चलता है कि मैं निकालूं यहाँ से.
Okay, that is so going viral. So going viral. Okay, so you have worked together in Dolly Ki Doli before this. How has your friendship, your association, you know, evolved over the years?
He shifted near my building. But yeah, the first association was with Dolly Ki Doli, and that was in 2015. We started filming that film in 2014, and it got released in 2015 January. But it's been well, yeah. I mean, it's good to be, working with friends. I mean, it just makes everything very comfortable and very uh, nice. I mean, you know the people that you're working with, so everything kind of comes in. You can chat your heart out. You can talk your heart out if you are comfortable while with doing something, or if you have any hesitations about something. So it's always good to chat with friends about it, and kind of be there at that moment while you're doing it. So that's what, yeah. I mean, after Dolly Ki Dolly, we've been friends, we've been meeting, and we've been chilling, and we've had our own sessions. There are a few things that we've been doing, and here we are now.
Okay.
Coming this Friday. This Friday.
This Friday. Okay, if I ask you to give one reason to the viewers to come to the theaters and watch Friday, what would that be?
It's a complete family entertainer. When I say that, I really mean it. And the biggest USP of the film is the chemistry between Govinda sir and Varun Sharma. You'll see Chichi and Chucha together, and how.
And you?
I have to just say this only, that it's a beautiful family entertainer, and it's gonna be, you're gonna laugh your guts out. And जो भी गोविंदा सर के फैन हैं, जैसे मैं भी उनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, जो भी गोविंदाज़म जो है, जिस तरह से वो हमेशा हम उनको पसंद करते आए हैं और आज तक करते हैं, तो वो सारी जो ट्रेड्स हैं, वो सारी जो चीज़ें हैं, वो आपको इस फिल्म में ज़रूर देखने को मिलेंगी. तो आप प्लीज़ तैयार हो जाइए वो सीटियाँ मारने के लिए और वो सिक्के उछालने के लिए, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ऐसा कि आप जब उनको देखेंगे तो आप ज़रूर, आपका मन करेगा वो करने का.
Okay, so I promised you I wouldn't be asking you that, but आपके लिए. So the current hot topic in Bollywood is the Me Too movement that is going on. If I ask you to share your thoughts about the same, what would you say?
Yeah, I just feel bad about one thing, that if you are in a particular position and you have a certain kind of power, I think you should not misuse it. Because especially in the industry, I mean, there are a lot of people, there are a lot of strugglers there who want to act, want to direct, want to do a lot of things. I mean, rather than taking advantage of your position, I mean, if you can help them generously, you can help them. I think that will be great.
Okay.
So obviously, it's not good. It's not, and the industry also is getting a really bad name because of this. So yeah, I mean.